Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
YouTube content, shorts, videos, live stream, playlist, and post. Now let's get started. YouTube videos and shorts are popular. Regular videos tend to attract more overall views, especially when it comes to the most viewed videos on the platform. However, shorts often achieve higher views and likes per view compared to long-form videos, and are a dominant format in certain niche areas like entertainment. But people watch music videos consistently dominate the list of most viewed videos. Now first we will discuss about shorts. YouTube Shorts are short-form videos that allow creators to share bite-sized content with their audience. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features. 1. Short-form format. Shorts are typically under 60 seconds long. 2. Vertical format. Shorts are optimized for mobile devices with a vertical format. 3. The music integration. Shorts can include licensed music from YouTube's catalog. 4. Captions and subtitles. Shorts can include captions and subtitles to make them more accessible. But what are benefits? 1. Increased engagement. Shorts can increase viewer engagement and encourage audience interaction. 2. Discoverability. Shorts can help creators reach a wider audience and increase their visibility. 3. Diversified content. Shorts offer a new way for creators to experiment with different content formats. 4. Monetization opportunities. Shorts can be monetized through ads and sponsorships. Now we will discuss about videos. YouTube videos are the core content type on the platform, offering a wide range of possibilities for creators to engage with their audience. Here are some key aspects. Types of YouTube videos. 1. Vlogs, personal vlogs that showcase a creator's daily life. 2. Tutorials, educational videos that teach viewers a specific skill or topic. 3. Product reviews, in-depth reviews of products or services. 4. Music videos that showcase a creator's musical talents. 5. Live streams, live video content that allows for real-time interaction. Key elements. 1. Title, a concise and descriptive title that summarizes the content. 2. Description, a brief summary of the video's content. 3. Tags, keywords that help viewers find the video. 4. Thumbnails, eye-catching images that represent the video's content. 5. Content quality, high-quality video and audio that engage the viewer. What are benefits? 1. Increased engagement. Videos can increase viewer engagement and loyalty. 2. Improved brand awareness. Videos can help establish a creator's brand and identity. 3. Monetization opportunities. Videos can be monetized through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 4. Community building. Videos can help creators build a community around their content. Now we will talk about YouTube live stream. YouTube live streaming allows creators to broadcast live video content to their audience in real time. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features. 1. Real-time interaction. Viewers can interact with creators through live chat and comments. 2. Immediacy. Live streams provide an immediate and authentic experience. 3. Increased engagement. Live streams can increase viewer engagement and encourage audience participation. 4. Monetization opportunities. Live streams can be monetized through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. What are benefits? 1. Building community. Live streams help creators build a community and connect with their audience. 2. Increased visibility. Live streams can increase a creator's visibility and reach a wider audience. 3. Authenticity. Live streams provide an authentic and transparent experience. 4. Flexibility. Live streams can be used for various content types, such as Q&A sessions, product launches, or events. Now we will talk about YouTube playlist. YouTube playlists are collections of videos that are curated around a specific theme, topic, or genre. Here are some key features and benefits. Key features. 1. Organization. Playlists help organize videos in a logical and accessible way. 2. Discovery. Playlists allow viewers to discover new content and explore topics in depth. 3. Customization. Creators can customize playlist titles, descriptions, and tags. 4. Sharing. Playlists can be shared with others, making it easy to collaborate or promote content. What are benefits? 1. Improved viewer experience. Playlists provide a seamless viewing experience, allowing viewers to watch related content without interruption. 2. Increased engagement. Playlists can increase viewer engagement and encourage audience loyalty. 3. Better discoverability. Playlists can help creators reach a wider audience and increase their visibility. 4. Content marketing. Playlists can be used as a content marketing strategy to promote products, services, or ideas. Now we will talk about YouTube posts. YouTube posts are a way for creators to share updates, behind-the-scenes content, and other information with their audience. Here are some key features and benefits. Types of posts. 1. Text-only posts, short messages or updates. 2. Image posts, photos or graphics that showcase a product, service, or idea. 3. Video posts, short videos that provide additional context or insights. 4. Link posts, links to external websites, other YouTube videos, or merchandise. What are benefits? 1. Increased engagement. Posts can help creators engage with their audience and build a community. 2. Improved discoverability. Posts can help creators reach a wider audience and increase their visibility. 3. Behind-the-scenes content. Posts can provide a glimpse into a creator's creative process or daily life. 4. Promoting content. Posts can be used to promote new videos, live streams, or other content.
Video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.